Okay guys, this year's Evo Enduro 2019, we have these teams participating, and together with them, you will stand a chance to win a Proton X70, 38,000 ringgit cash. Yes, these are real money over here, and 2-person gets to win this, and another 10-person will be able to win 8,000 ringgit cash. All you need to do is just to buy their products from a minimum spending of 5 ringgit. To know how to enter, all you need to do is just to WhatsApp your receipt of your product and answer a simple question to this number. To understand further, go to this website to know about all these products and how to enter. Menang, menang, menang!
Menang!
Alright.
Again, Con?
Make noodle.
Hi guys, so I'm now back in Thailand. It's some cave area which I don't quite know how to pronounce the name, but got some monkeys there, and well, of course they are not the real reason I'm here. The real reason we are here actually is this. Okay, so we are here in Thailand, invited by Isuzu Malaysia to test drive the new 1.9 liter version of the D-Max. Yes, that's right guys. So moving forward, the D-Max will be offered with a 1.9 liter engine that replaces the 2.5 liter. So today's program, as we landed earlier today in Krabi, we had lunch, then after that we drove, we immediately hit the road, and we are on our way up to Phuket. So yeah, sort of like a mini repeat of Evo Enduro. I call it Recceing for Enduro 2020. But well, here we are. This is the new D-Max 1.9. This engine actually has been around in Malaysia, has been around for a couple of years now, but only this year that it is finally entering Malaysia, our market. Now the full lineup of variants have not been told to us yet as I record this, but the cars that we are driving for this trip, 10 vehicles, okay, all of them are pretty much the same spec, 1.9 liter automatic transmission. I understand there will also be the 3 liter version will continue to be on sale, but the 1.9 from this point forward takes over from the 2.5. Technical details of the 1.9 liter engine are covered in a separate video, but suffice to say, just a quick run through: outputs 150 horsepower, 350 newton meters of torque, and more importantly, okay, the transmission has been upgraded from 5-speed in the 2.5 and 3 liter model to 6-speed, both manual and automatic transmission. So right now, let's bring you through some of the exterior bits. And yes, so you can see here, this is the new facelifted look of the D-Max, and they've given it quite a chunky bit of chrome here on the front end. So this and the lights here are upgraded. These are LED projector headlamps with manual leveling adjustment. The front bumper has been reprofiled as well. This fog lamp garnish has been changed. And here you can see from the side here, this car actually is, this variant is actually quite highly spec'd. So you see the wheels are 18-inch wheels, okay? No longer 16s, are 18-inch wheels. And let me just view this from the side. Okay, so you've got chrome finishing on the side mirror, and you got keyless entry. Here is the key fob. Okay, it's the key fob. And let me just take a step back and show you. So they've put those stickers there to mark out the 1.9 liter variant. And here we have some cars I noticed has this extra bar over the cargo tray. And well, this vehicle is occupied. Let me just show you the blue one. So the cars that came along for this drive also include blue and red colored units. So here at the back, you can see these are the badging of the 1.9 liter model. BluePower, this is the official name of the engine. And so you've got a reverse camera neatly integrated into the handle here. That's the lower bumper. The tail lights, at least for this where this variant is concerned, LED. And let me show you this. So this one has the easy opening mechanism that allows you to lift this with one hand. Okay, one hand. Okay, with very minimal effort, because this one has the bar, has this torsion bar inside here, as well as this gas struts here, to help you minimize your effort to basically lighten the tailgate. And this is thoughtful. So you can see this tray here. With this, I can pull this out. So you can put whatever things in, and then just slide it back. Okay, pretty good. The only tough part is slotting this back in. Takes a bit of effort. Right, let me just show you the inside then. So you can see all the familiar items are here. This drawer type cup holder, and it's a very solid piece. I like that. This is very solid. Okay, and it is a usable proper drawer, which if you don't want to use it as a cup holder, you can use it as a coin box, ashtray, up to your preference. So this is a rather small door pocket here at the side, and here is the seats, the front seats. Nice color, nice pattern design here. Okay, but the overall layout of the dashboard is relatively unchanged from before. What they have really improved upon is the offering of a plusher selection of materials at selected touch points. So you see here, the steering wheel here, for example, is leather wrapped. And although this is hard plastic, this piece here, this is soft touch, and so is this. So this lid here, okay, open this lid, but see, this is soft touch, and you have an Isuzu D-Max badge there. Hard plastic. It's got a lidded compartment here. Well, that's blocked by the GPS. That's fine. And this is the one with the digital climate control system, single zone. Okay, and yep. So you've got a built-in touchscreen here as well. You got USB socket here, USB port here, and there's also another one here as well. Okay, so you got a cup holder here, which, okay, so I think in terms of storage space, right, central storage space, this is rather limited. This slot is rather limited. This also this is the center area here. The utilization of space can be improved, but here at least you do get a decent and generously sized bin here. Okay, show you the instrument cluster, and so you see, to browse through the functions of the MID, you have two buttons. This allows you to scroll left, right, okay, and you also have another button to scroll left. Okay, and you have a touch screen here, which is a nice integrated touch screen. Although the graphics does have a certain resemblance to the unit that we saw that we see in Toyota cars, but still, it's decent and functional enough for the kind of use that you have in mind for cars like these. Okay, so up here, sunglass holder, door visor, and here you are. Okay, so yeah, steering mounted controls for the audio only, no cruise control, nothing unexpected. Let me just go and see if I can find another car. Okay, wait. All right, I'll just hop into this car from the other side. So please pardon the mess on that side. I'll just show you. Here's the armrest. Surprising, no cup holders. And I'll just quickly hop in. Okay, so right here I have got good leg room, but well, thigh support certainly nowhere near the levels that you get with a passenger car. Headroom is fantastic, and we've got you got individual adjustable headrests. So all in a nice, comfortable environment to be in. Well, where pickup trucks are concerned. So it's amazing how nowadays, right, pickup trucks, they have really moved to become properly sophisticated, properly refined, properly nice, spacious vehicles. And oh, check this out. So here's on the roof, you got live surround sound here as well. This probably goes with the audio. And what have you started there? Android navigation. Is this paired to your phone?
No, I'm gonna try the.
Okay guys, so this concludes the walk around of the Isuzu D-Max 1.9, and stay tuned. There'll be more videos as we experience this car, explore this car. I'll also be having an interview with the chief engineer, and yeah, so we'll have a bit more insights from there. And after this, I will be yeah, so the next video I will be presenting you some driving impressions of this car.